Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial, and I know my makeup is very dramatic right now. It's just because I finished filming a makeup tutorial. So I wanted to do an eyebrow tutorial because I will be microblading my eyebrows very soon. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys how I do my eyebrows, little tips and tricks that I do. I thought it would be helpful for those of you like me who want more structured eyebrows and probably don't have many eyebrows like me. And if you do, you are so lucky to have like a full set of eyebrows, and I don't, so I pretty much have to mimic the appearance of hairs on my eyebrows. So that is why I wanted to show you guys, because I know not everyone is going to want to do like microblading and something permanent. So I thought it would be very helpful, and since I won't be able to do it this way in the future, I thought I might as well do an updated eyebrow routine, because some things have changed and I really think that I like them, but I want to honestly save myself the struggle of having to do my eyebrows every single day, and especially with filming, it can get very time consuming. So yeah, if you guys would like to see how I do my eyebrows, please keep watching. And also before I begin, please do not forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And if you want to see this makeup look, it'll be the next video, so don't worry. And yeah, now I will stop talking and we will get right into my eyebrow routine. Alright, so as you can see, this eyebrow is already done. Now I have changed a few things about my eyebrows. I like to do them a little bit thicker. I like to do little hair strokes now, and also keep the tail a little bit shorter and more lifted up than I used to. So that is, I guess, a few things that I've changed. So now I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how I do my eyebrows on this eyebrow. I like using the Benefit Cosmetics Brow, and I use 3.5. I also have 4.0, and then I also have some Anastasia Dip Brow Pomades in like I believe ash blonde, and I have a few colors because I'm always changing up my hair color. And I'm going to be using this angled brow brush that is by MAC Cosmetics in 266. Now, another thing that I want to show you guys is what I actually put into the pomade, because if you guys use brow pomades, you know that they tend to get hard, and it's really difficult to use them that way. So I use the Inglot Duraline, and I just add a little drop or two at the most, or if not, I will add a little drop of like jojoba oil or any type of oil, but like more natural oils, of course. And yeah, that is what I do to pretty much reactivate it. So now we're going to get started on this eyebrow. To be honest, I find this one a lot easier to do and I think it's because, well, first of all, no eyebrows are created equal. Eyebrows are not, they're not twins. Eyebrows are not twins, they're sisters. But, you know, there's days when I'm frustrated and they can end up looking like cousins. And I really struggle with the right eyebrow. So what I will do is do the right eyebrow first and then base it off that and do the left one, because this one I can manipulate a lot easier. So I always do this one, and I just find that it's shaped a lot better than my right one, and I can really just get any shape that I want with this one. Now I did have them microbladed. It's probably been 4 years now, so they are pretty much completely faded and pretty much gone. So I am going to redo them. So I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to show you guys how I currently do my eyebrows. That way, when I get them redone, I'm thinking around my birthday or anytime before Christmas or something, because I don't know, I'm just trying to find like a good day to do them, just because I don't want like the swelling or, you know, the ointment that you have to apply onto there to keep them to, I guess, cure them. That's what I don't want. I pretty much don't want to have like a family holiday party or something going on and my eyebrows are greasy and full of this medication and stuff. So yeah, that is why I still haven't decided if I want to do them. Probably gonna do them like right after my birthday. So I mean, at first the little strokes come out a little bit thicker, and that tends to happen, but they do kind of like absorb into the skin. So what I will do is I'll then pat them down with some translucent powder, and they just look a lot better, and I will go over them again with whatever product is left on the brush. So like I said, I like my tail being a little bit more lifted than I used to do them. So I bring it out more this way instead of downwards. And I think it just flatters my makeup a lot more, and also my face shape. And yeah, that is what I've been doing. So I will then take like my middle finger or ring finger, and I will soften up that edge I don't like them looking completely blocky. So I soften the front of the brow all the time. Alright, so now what I like to do is take this tiny concealer brush. This brush I have had for the longest time. I probably had it for like over 10 years. But I guard it with my life because it's the only brush that works for me. For cleaning up my eyebrows, it's the only brush that I use. So yeah, I'm going to then take Time Balm Concealer, and it is in the shade Light, and it is pretty much a little pot concealer, and I only use it for my eyebrows. So I will take that and just use it to just, I guess, sharpen any little areas that I want clean, which is usually right here. I feel like this part that angles and comes out on my eyebrow is always what I need to kind of perfect as much as I can. So yeah, that's what I do. I don't really clean the top much just because I don't feel like I make many mistakes on the top. Part of my eyebrows is usually the bottom. So I just run it over the top with whatever is left. I don't go back and dip my brush in there. So yeah, that is what I do. And then what I like to do is apply my eye base as per usual. And then what I do is the following. So let me quickly apply my eye base so this video won't be super long. Okay, so I have my eye base laid down on my eyes. And then what I will do, there's pretty much like very minimal product left on my concealer brush that I use to apply my base, is I will just tap on the front of my eyebrows like that. So you can see they look a lot lighter. And then what I will do is I will take my brush once again and just restroke. So yeah, that is pretty much all that I do to my eyebrows. I guess another thing that I do right at the end of, you know, when I'm in the middle of, I guess, setting my face, is I will, whatever is left on my powder puff, I will tap it onto the front of the brows, and that also makes them look a lot more natural and sets them in place so that they don't smudge or do anything. But one thing that I want to say is the Duraline, I highly recommend that you pick up for not just creating eyeliners or using with other eye products, but also because it waterproofs your eyebrows, and it just I mean, I have never really experienced like my eyebrows smudging since I started using the Duraline in my cream products for my eyebrows. So yeah, that is all that I have to say. I mean, another tip that I might have for you is if you have full eyebrows, if you were blessed with eyebrows, which I was not, I have very, very fine, thin hairs, and my eyebrows are super, super thin. That is why I am getting them microbladed, which is a form of tattooing, and it's pretty much mimicking faux hair, so it looks like hair, but it's not, it's an actual ink. And if you have eyebrows, I would definitely, take a brush like this one or something a little thicker but angled, and you can use like a medium brown or like a light brown eyeshadow, and it just makes your eyebrows look a little bit more put together. Just do the little hair strokes along your eyebrows. It doesn't have to be these sharp, very constructed eyebrows. So yeah, that is something that I actually do people when I do their makeup. If I see someone that has really nice eyebrows, I'm like, wow, thank you God, because I can, just be done with them really fast. I either use like the Precisely My Brow or the Brow Wiz by Anastasia Beverly Hills, or just an eyeshadow with a brush. I don't use my personal brushes on them, but I will, just take some eyeshadow and run it along really quickly, and it just makes them look still natural and like it's their eyebrows, but a little bit more put together, and it also just makes everything flow with the makeup. Yeah, that is pretty much it. If you guys have any questions about eyebrows or about anything in particular, leave them down below. I will leave a list of products that I used in this video in the info box. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.